The Art of Woodworking. Free download, link in description.
Top 5 Best CNC Machines for Metal. Number 5. CNCTOPBAOS 1610 Pro CNC Milling Machine. The CNCTOPBAOS 1610 Pro CNC Milling Machine is a compact yet powerful machine that excels in precision and versatility, making it ideal for small-scale metalworking projects. Construction and build quality. Featuring a sturdy aluminum frame, the 1610 Pro ensures stability and durability during operation, which is essential for precise metal machining. Workspace and size. The machine offers a smaller working area of 160 by 100 mm, making it best suited for intricate and detailed projects where precision is paramount. Precision and performance. The 1610 Pro is equipped with high-precision stepper motors and a reliable control board, ensuring accurate and consistent performance. Its lead screw drive system provides enhanced precision, making it ideal for detailed metalwork. User-friendly features. This machine supports offline control and comes with comprehensive assembly instructions, making it easy to set up and use. It is also compatible with Gerbil firmware, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of CNC software. Versatility. Despite its compact size, the 1610 Pro is capable of machining various metals, including aluminum and brass. It is an excellent choice for hobbyists and small businesses looking for a precise and reliable CNC machine for detailed metalworking projects. Coming in number 4, LUNYEE 3018 PRO MAX CNC Machine. The LUNYEE 3018 PRO MAX CNC Machine is a compact and efficient option that offers excellent value for those looking to get started with metalworking. Construction and build quality. The 3018 PRO MAX features a robust aluminum frame, providing the necessary stability and durability for precise metal machining. Workspace and size. With a working area of 300 by 180 mm, this machine is well suited for small to medium-sized projects, offering flexibility without taking up too much space. Precision and performance. Equipped with high-precision stepper motors and an upgraded control board, the 3018 PRO MAX ensures smooth and accurate operation. The inclusion of dual Y-axis motors enhances its stability and precision, especially during intricate cuts. User-friendly features. The machine supports offline control and comes with easy-to-follow assembly instructions. It is compatible with Gerbil firmware, making it accessible to users familiar with this popular CNC control system. Versatility. Capable of machining various metals, including aluminum and brass, the 3018 PRO MAX is a great entry-level machine for hobbyists and those new to CNC metalworking. Coming in number 3, FoxAlien Masuter Pro CNC Router Machine. The FoxAlien Masuter Pro CNC Router Machine is known for its affordability and impressive capabilities, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious users. Construction and build quality. Featuring a sturdy aluminum frame, the Masuter Pro is designed to withstand the rigors of metal machining while maintaining stability and accuracy. Workspace and size. The machine offers a decent working area of 300 by 180 mm, suitable for a wide range of projects, from intricate jewelry designs to small mechanical parts. Precision and performance. The Masuter Pro is equipped with reliable stepper motors and a robust control board, ensuring smooth and precise operation. Its T-slot bed allows for easy and secure material mounting, enhancing accuracy during cutting and engraving. User-friendly features. The machine comes with an intuitive offline controller and supports Gerbil firmware, making it easy to use and compatible with various CNC software. The clear assembly instructions help users set up the machine quickly and efficiently. Versatility. Despite its affordability, the Masuter Pro can handle various metals, including aluminum and brass, making it a versatile choice for beginners and hobbyists. Coming in number 2, Genmitsu 3020 PRO MAX V2 CNC Router Machine. The Genmitsu 3020 PRO MAX V2 is another excellent offering from Genmitsu, known for its enhanced capabilities and user-friendly features. Construction and build quality. The 3020 PRO MAX V2 features a durable aluminum frame, ensuring a rigid structure that can handle the stresses of metal machining. Workspace and size. With a working area of 300 by 200 mm, this machine strikes a balance between size and functionality, making it suitable for both small and medium-sized projects. Precision and performance. The inclusion of high-precision stepper motors and a redesigned control board enhances the machine's cutting accuracy and reliability. The 3020 PRO MAX V2 also features upgraded linear bearings for smoother movement and better precision. User-friendly features. This machine comes with a comprehensive assembly guide and supports offline control, allowing users to operate it without a continuous computer connection. The Gerbil-based control system ensures compatibility with various CNC software options. Versatility. Capable of machining aluminum, brass, and other soft metals, the 3020 PRO MAX V2 is ideal for hobbyists and small businesses looking for a reliable and versatile CNC machine. Coming in number 1. Genmitsu CNC Router Machine PROVerXL 4030. The Genmitsu CNC Router Machine PROVerXL 4030 stands out for its robust construction and versatility, making it a top choice for metalworking enthusiasts. Construction and build quality. The PROVerXL 4030 boasts a solid aluminum frame that ensures durability and stability during operation. This robust build minimizes vibrations, which is crucial when working with metals to maintain precision and accuracy. Workspace and size. Offering a large working area of 400 by 300 mm, the machine provides ample space for a variety of metal projects, from intricate designs to larger components. Precision and performance. Equipped with high-precision stepper motors and an upgraded control board, the PROVerXL 4030 delivers excellent cutting accuracy and smooth performance. The inclusion of T-slot extrusions for mounting materials securely enhances its precision. User-friendly features. The machine comes with an easy-to-use offline controller, eliminating the need for constant computer connectivity. Additionally, it supports Gerbil firmware, which is widely used and supported in the CNC community. Versatility. This model can handle a wide range of materials, including aluminum, brass, and other soft metals, making it a versatile choice for various applications.